Hi, admission officer. This is Andy. If I have to sum up my career goal in one phrase, it would be bridging economic theory with quantitative finance to drive real-world decision-making. I'm particularly drawn to macro-driven quantitative research, focusing on rates and FX products, things like interest rate swaps, treasury bills, and currency derivatives. Why? Because these markets sit at the intersection of economics, policy, and investment strategy, making them the perfect space to apply both my analytical skills and my deep interest in global macroeconomics. At Emory, my research on the Sino-US trade war's impacts on unemployment show me the power and the limitations of the economic models in explaining real-world outcomes. It was one thing to analyze past data, but what truly fascinated me was forecasting how labor markets might react to future policy shifts. That curiosity only grew during my internship at Icon Industrial Fund Management, where I work on scenario-based DCF models and risk analysis. I saw firsthand how markets move, not just based on numbers, but also on policy expectations, behavioral factors, and global economic trends. What excites me most about quantitative finance, especially in rates and FX, is that it depends a balance between historical data analysis and forward-looking judgments. We need to understand past trends, but more importantly, we have to predict how central banks, global trade flows, and investor sentiments will shape future asset movements. That's the challenge I want to tackle. In the short term, I see myself as a quantitative research analyst at a top asset manager like PIMCO or BlackRock, applying macroeconomic insights to develop systematic trading strategies. In the long term, my goal isn't just about market efficiency or alpha generations. I want to advise policymakers at the institutions like the Federal Reserve or the IMF, using data-driven insights to shape monetary policy and global stability. At its core, finance isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding risk, anticipating change, and making forward decisions in an uncertain world. That's exactly why macro-driven quant finance is the right path for me.